Following the acceleration in global demand, international figures show that the world currently produces more than 3 million tons of industrial enzymes and 2.5 million vials of medical enzymes. In the Middle East, Iran alone consumes above 6,000 tons of industrial enzymes, next to more than 40,000 vials of medical enzymes each year. The importance of enzymes increase as world population grows and living standards improve with a considerable pace. This population boom has resulted in the further expansion and development of industries related to food, health, and medicine. In the recent decades, enzymes have become increasingly popular among manufacturers of food, health, and medical products as an easy tool to transform and combine different substances. From a commercial point of view, enzymes are divided into three main categories based on the level of their purity and application, which include enzymes for industrial production, which are lower in purity but used in large quantities, such as amylase, protease, lipase, glucose isomerase, catalase, and penicillin acylase. Analytical enzymes used in small quantities but with high purity, such as glucose oxidase, galactose oxidase, dehydrogenase alcohol, hexokinase, myramidase, and cholesterol oxidase. Enzymes used for medical treatment purposes with very small quantities but extremely high purity, such as asparaginase and streptokinase. According to the U.S. National Institute of Health (NIH), enzymes were used in 13% of pharmaceutical products in America in 1996, generating a total revenue of $18 billion for the U.S. pharmaceutical industry. Figures show a sharp increase in enzyme consumption across the world. As an example, in just 14 years from 1985 to 1998, the number of enzymes produced worldwide doubled from 50 to 100, out of a total of 4,000 identified enzymes. Only 1 year later, in 1999, numbers showed a market value of $1.5 billion, with a growth rate of 5% in the international enzyme market. Enzymes manufactured in that year were used in several industrial sectors, including 31% in food industries, especially in products like breads and beverages, 6% in livestock and poultry feed, and 63% in other sectors such as detergents, leather, and textile industries. Up until 1998, some 300 companies across the world had started producing different enzymes. By then, 75% of the entire enzyme products were manufactured in Europe, next to China. According to market data forecast, the enzymes market value in the Middle East and North Africa is currently growing with a rate of 9.7%, reaching towards $310 million by 2026. According to Fortune Business Insights, in 2019, figures put the international market value of industrial enzymes at $9 billion. The source indicates that with a growth rate of 6.4%, the number will increase to around $14 billion by 2027.